Hi everyone, this is William speaking. Today I'm going to introduce you how to connect with the whole complete packing system. And we are now separating everything for the last container of this 2024. So you can see here is 2 feet of this brass, and here is the 4 feet. The 2 feet is for the repression piece over there. We already packed it in the wooden case. This is what we need 2 feet. Is for the repression piece of the band carrier. So the electricity board is the control box of the band carrier. This huge one. There's another motors already packed inside. Is a 4 feet. So this is for the band carrier motor. This is for the representative motor, and here is a KJ2. It's for the signal of the rear. See that we already separate. It is over there. You see from KJ1, KJ2, KJ3. Okay, and here's another one. KJ5 for the connecting device opening this small model, and this right hand side is another one here, and here is the power supply over there. Every power supply is separate for each one. So the rear have one, and the main machine have another one. They all separated, so you can connect each other. And here is the air supply. Okay, so this is the only one you need to connect the air, and with the power supplies of the main machine. From the electricity box, we leave a tube, and this wire of this standing tube is connected to over there. KJ number 1 is the signal from the main machine. Okay, another one downstairs is KJ3. Yes. Hi, that's me. That's my fully finger. It's for the touch screen, so everything is connected. Once more again, the box, the electricity box, is controlling connecting with the repression piece and the motors of the band carrier. So 4 feet, 2 feet, the brass is okay. And then yeah, they have a power supply also, so you connect with the power, and you connect KJ to the rear. Okay, and each of the rear have the connected device for this one and 2, and touch screen and power supply, and connect with the main machine of the packing machine. Okay, and there's KJ 1, 2, 3. Okay, and 4, 5 here. So that's it. Main machine is only power supply and air supply. And we have the round table. We are now packing. And also the final conveyor is already packed. They are all separated with the power supply. So that's everything you need to connect. Later we will teach you how to install the rear. Thanks.